Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off the option for our assistant menu to be visible as an edge icon and return it to our default button. So we need to go to settings first, then in accessibility menu we have interaction and dexterity, and here is our assistant menu. So allow, and now we have this edge button right here. But we want our floating button as it was by default. So how to remove this edge menu and restore our floating button. Here is the option, show as edge icon. You see, when we turn off this option, we have our floating button back. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.